Hi guys, I'm Ainsley Harriott, and today I'm going to be cooking for you my Moorish barbecued lamb kebabs with a Dukkah tomato salad. All taken from my book. Here it is, yeah, the old Mediterranean cookbook. But more importantly, this is for you guys to get in the kitchen and do the mob thing. Now, first of all, I think one of the most important things to do is just have little things kind of made in advance. Hence, one of the first things I did was make my Dukkah. What is Dukkah? It's a kind of nutty, sort of spiced kind of crunch. Very much started off in Egypt, and that's what I did first of all, toasting off my hazelnuts and almonds till they were lightly brown, next some sesame seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds. All of that went in there, blitzed that down a little bit, and then I added some spices. You got me where you want me. I'm shackled to your love. Set me free, set me free, set me free. We went on to the marinade for our lamb. Oh, and so important. If you can marinate your meat just a little bit, you know, just soak it and just get some of those lovely flavours into your meat. It will make such a difference, really, really will. The cayenne, a little bit of sweet paprika. You saw, again, a couple of the turmeric, those warm spices going in there, all of that. Marinate the meat, preferably overnight. You can get away with it an hour or two, but preferably overnight. And then, of course, I barbecued that off. You know about that yogurt. Squeeze in a little bit of that lemon juice. Hit it with a little bit of the cayenne, season it up, a bit of salt and pepper. Give that a little bit of a swirl. Delicious, especially when it goes with that lamb. Sliced tomato, the onion. This is my Moorish barbecued lamb kebabs with a Dukkah tomato salad. Really, really lovely. Hope it inspires you to get out in the kitchen and get a little bit of work done. Take care, Mob. Oh, yeah.